Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn about past tenses of verbs. When talking about things that happened before now, you use the past tense form of the verb. This is called the simple past tense. Unlike present tense verbs, simple past tense verbs are not affected by the subject. Simple past tense verbs include regular verbs that follow specific patterns or irregular verbs that follow a different pattern. Let's take a look at past tense verb patterns. The most commonly used pattern is to just put ed at the end of the verb. For example, walk would become walked. Second, if the verb already ends with an e, like dance, simply put a d at the end to make it danced. Third, if the verb ends with a consonant plus y, like the verb study, change the y to I and add ed. So, studied, studied. Lastly, when the verb has just one syllable, like stop, and it ends with a single vowel plus consonant, repeat the last consonant and add ed. So, stoped, stopped. However, there are irregular verbs that change regardless of the four patterns we've studied so far. For example, do becomes did, run becomes ran, eat becomes ate, and see becomes saw in the past tense. These irregular verbs are used very often in our daily lives, so please memorize and review them. To form the negative in the past tense, put did not in front of the base form of the verb. Did not stays the same no matter what the subject form is. To form the short form, say didn't. For example, I didn't finish my homework yesterday. Lastly, add did plus subject before the base verb to form a past tense question. For example, did you call Mike? Or did he call Mike? To answer the question, you say yes or no, and then use did or didn't to match. So you would say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Let's review today's lesson.